Hello students, this is Dr. Navajyoti Bhattacharjee, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, PDU Government Model College, Katlichora. I am starting a new lecture series on information and communication technology. This lecture series is for the beginners who are learning ICT for a competitive examination, especially for UGC NET. So I hope you like the content of the video, and if you have any questions or queries, ask me in the comment section. So let's start the video. Hello students, in this video we'll discuss about the application of ICT in research. The first is literature review and reference management. Here we can take the help of Mendeley, Zotero, and Note to organize, cite and manage references efficiently. Also, through that, we can access scholarly article and e-journals. Second is data collection. Here, the tools that we use are Google Form, SurveyMonkey, Typeform. Using this tool, you can collect both quantitative and qualitative data remotely and auto-generate the spreadsheet for analysis. Third is data analysis and visualization. To analyze the data, we can use the softwares like SPSS, R, Python, and Excel. These softwares can help in analyzing the trends, finding the correlations, and provide some predictions from the data. Also, these softwares can help in projecting the results in the form of chart, graphs, dashboard for reporting. Fourth is cloud based collaboration. Here we use Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox for the real-time collaboration with co-researchers globally, which is a secure version that control and share that control and helps in sharing the data in a most safe manner. Fifth is communication and dissemination. Virtual conferences and webinars can be conducted through the softwares like Zoom, MS Team, WebEx, etc. And here the candidate can participate in international research forums, in different conferences and seminars, to present the paper, attend workshop or online from anywhere. Sixth is academic writing support. For the writing support, the tools that are available are Grammarly, Turnitin, Quillbot. There are other also in the place of Turnitin. We can use Urkund also, Drillbit also. This helps in improve grammar, clarity, and originality of the work, and helps to detect and avoid plagiarism. Seventh is access to databases and digital libraries. So using the tools like Joster, these are not tools actually, these are databases. Joster, Science Direct, IEEE, Explore are some databases and digital libraries where the students or candidates can explore peer-reviewed journals, articles, and ebooks. Next is ethical practices and data security. It use some suppose the use of secure storage and encryption tools like Google Drive, you can say, to maintain the confidentiality and integrity of the research data. So the application of ICT in research is very deep and expanded. We can see from the beginning that you starting from the literature review and referencing to data collection, then processing of the data, then saving the data in the cloud, to participating in conference and seminar through Zoom, Google Meet, MS Team, etc. We have the academic writing support from Grammarly, Quillbot, Turnitin, and now newly it is ChatGPT, that AI tools are also available. Further, we can access databases and digital libraries through which we can access different journals or best peer reviewed journal which can help in our research work. Further, data security help us in storing our data securely, which actually build the integrity of the research data, that no one can take your data without your permission. And if somebody has taken your data either from the paper or directly from you, he or she has must have he or she must cite your work or acknowledge your work in this field as far as the data is concerned. So for this video, thank you so much. If you have any question regarding the application of ICT in research, you can ask.